New details about the highly anticipated Motorola Razr 60 and Razr 60 Ultra have leaked just on the eve of their official launch, setting the tech world abuzz with excitement. According to fresh rumors, these two foldable powerhouses will be officially revealed tomorrow, and a renowned leaker has dropped major insights about their launch pricing and hardware specifications. The Razr 60 Ultra, teased heavily by Motorola, looks set to make a grand entrance, possibly accompanied by a successor to the Razr 50 as well, though the Razr 60 might have a more limited release compared to its Ultra sibling. According to trusted source Bill_Cohen, while the Razr 60 Ultra is expected to hit shelves across Europe, the regular Razr 60 will only be available in select markets. Pricing will reflect their positioning too, with the Razr 60 coming in at €899 with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, while the Razr 60 Ultra demands a premium at €1,299, a significant €400 difference justified by more memory, a faster chipset, larger batteries, better cameras, and stunning displays. Speaking of specs, the Razr 60 will feature a MediaTek Dimensity 25 MSOC, a beautiful 6.9-inch POL internal screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, a 3.63-inch AMOLED external display, a 50MP main camera with OIS, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, a 32MP selfie shooter, and a 4,500 mAh battery with 30W wired and 15W wireless charging support. Meanwhile, the Razr 60 Ultra is poised to steal the show with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a massive 7-inch AMOLED internal display boasting a blistering 165Hz refresh rate, a sharper 4-inch AMOLED external display, a stunning camera trio of 50MP primary, 50MP ultra-wide, and 50MP selfie sensors, plus a beefier 4,700 mAh battery, supporting 68W wired and 15W wireless charging, ensuring faster performance and even better endurance. Both devices are IP48 rated for dust and water resistance, weigh around 200 grams, with dimensions of roughly 171 by 74 by 7 millimeters unfolded, meaning they stay slim and stylish even while packing top-tier internals. With such impressive features, Motorola is clearly aiming to dominate the foldable segment once again, offering both a more affordable entry with the Razr 60 and a no-compromise flagship experience with the Razr 60 Ultra. Fans of innovative smartphone technology have a lot to look forward to, and here at TechVerse, we'll be bringing you all the latest updates, first impressions, and detailed breakdowns as soon as these devices officially drop. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. Because at TechVerse, we make sure you never miss a beat in the world of tech.